Have you ever tried to make a two-way communication system in Roblox Studio and got this error while you were trying to use the remote function? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a good two-way communication system, and that's with using a remote event. So your script would be, the server-side script looks like this, not exactly like mine, but pretty much like this. It will look like this, basically. Ignore this, just see this. This code is incorrect here. This is not how you're supposed to use a remote function, but we're not going to get into that. We're just going to tell you how to make a two-way communication system with remote events. So here we have our remote events code. The way this will work, that first the client is going to send the request to the server, and the client will wait until the server sends the request back. So let's test it out. So actually I'm supposed to put .name here, otherwise it won't work because that's an instance and you can't concat an instance with a string. So yeah, we're gonna test it out. As you can see in the output, there's sonic.http.test text, which the remote comm server-side script got, and there is the other one, which is the client-side script. And in the client-side script, it works like this. So first it sends a request, then it waits for the request to come back, and there you go. You have a perfect two-way communication system. So in the next video, I'm gonna talk about callbacks. So why a remote function isn't good for this purpose. And there are not many callbacks in Roblox Studio, but I'm not gonna get into callbacks right now. So yeah, that was it for this video. Subscribe if you found it helpful. Like. Subscribe if you want more tutorials. Comment, and goodbye.